Hi, Joe Cerrone. Welcome to our weekly Zoom meeting for CAD 117 Intermediate AutoCAD. This week, we will be working on Module 6. Module 6 is an architectural floor plan for a cabin or a guest cottage, I guess they call it in the textbook. If we look at the textbook, the links are set up in blue here. If I click on this first one, try that again. Dimensioning architectural drawing. Sorry about the pop-ups. As we look at dimensioning architectural drawings, and I'm sorry, I'm fighting pop-ups here. What the textbook does here is it shows you the standardization for CAD drawings for architects. And so how to dimension architectural drawings, looking at the standards for architectural drawings, and then basic dimension styles for that. And so as you look through this chapter, it basically goes through these different guidelines. In other words, what should an architectural dimension look like? Terminators are typically with these tick marks. The fonts are a little bit softer. The drawings are a little bit more artistic. The minimum heights, these standards go through how and where you would place dimensions. And there's quite a few rules. So go ahead and read through the chapter. Step-by-step tutorials as far as to being able to create leaders. Here's our project, and it's just this small house. I guess they call them small houses now. They have TV shows for them. And so you've got this 15-foot by 18-foot floor plan. You'll create the architectural dimension style for it per the standards here. And then you'll draw and dimension that floor plan. Chapter 9 talks about blocks, and we'll be inserting blocks into our drawings. This one just has the blocks for the fan and the door. And so we'll create these step by step. It goes through how to do that. And we have those videos available for you as well. They're using, I want to say Design Center. Let's see. They're just using the insert command. And then you create the block of the fan, and then you insert it into the drawing. And then here's the additional instructions for putting in the other elements for the drawing. And so as you read the drawing, you'll see the location of the ceiling fan, the switches, the toilet and the bathtub, the sink. And then we'll create these different layers to separate those different elements, because that's what we do with the CAD system. We standardize those things. And so here's the dimensions for the bathtub and the vanity sink and the toilet and the fan and the other symbols. You'll create those as blocks and then insert them into the drawing. Here's our video. Excuse me, this is our PowerPoint of the lecture. Here's our second part. More content. Here's what the finished drawing will look like. And there's usually some videos. I'm not sure where the link for that video is, but I'm going to go and take a look in Module 6. If not, I'll fix it. And we want to make sure that these are visible. So in module 6, our information is there again. And it looks like I'll have to insert the link for the video because I don't see the video here. So I'll work on that. But just kind of wrapping things up for those of you who are tuning in, we've released Module 6. Module 6 is the architectural floor plan. You're to draw and detail that per these standards. Save the drawing and upload it to the assignments folder. If you have any questions, be sure to email us or instant message us, and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. That ends our Zoom meeting for this week.